guys already know what time it is. It's your girl Kiana here, and I'm back again with another Boxycharm unboxing. Alright, so this month's theme is sweet treats. In this box we have, let me put this down. First up in the box is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. It has 5 different pigmented shades and it's suitable for every skin tone. It's cruelty free and allergen free, and the retail price is $48. Next up in the box is Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. So let's open the box. Ooh, this is nice. So it says, lock in your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied, and that hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. The price of this is $32. So next up in the box is Eloise Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow. So it's in the color Champagne Rich. Ooh. Okay, so it says this non-sticky and lightweight luminizer can be applied to all areas on the face, body for this dazzling, buildable glow. And this transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflects to radiate your skin. The price of this is $38. In the box is this Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick in the color Broadway Glitz. Ooh. It has pigments and rich moisturizers that saturates the lips with creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day long. A curved bullet shape allows for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear. And last in the box is this Total Body Cleanser. It has ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. The price of this is $22. You guys know what time it is. Alright, so you guys, the next part of this video is me trying on the items, so stay tuned. Feels really nice on the skin. It gives it like a real cooling effect. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, let's see how it looks when I apply makeup. So I'm not gonna go for a full look, so I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. Terre de Mars body cleanser. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but whatever. I used this for a couple of days and maybe for about a week. I like it. I feel like I like more foamy cleansers, and it does say that it is a low foaming, but I would prefer more of a foaming because it makes it feel like, you know, it's doing something. So definitely I wipe off my makeup and then I go in with this. I love the smell. It smells really, really good. I definitely smell rosemary. Not so much the coffee, but it definitely gives like a nice tingling sensation on the face, which is good. Not totally, you know, not something that I would probably add to my skincare routine because, like I said before, I like foaming cleansers. It does feel like it's nourishing my skin. Like, it doesn't strip my face. It doesn't feel dry afterwards. But I also feel like it didn't do much for me. So, but the value of this is $22. So if you wanted to give it a go yourself, I don't hate it. So this is the eyeshadow look that I came up with. The eyeshadows itself are very pigmented. I love neutral colors. I kind of wish I've never used like darker shade on my lid before, so first time for everything. But this is also good. And this, I love this. I'm just going to rub some on. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm putting this all over me this summer. I am. Oh yes. I'm putting this all over me. Because it can go all over the face, the body, all that good stuff. So look how it leaves my skin. So I'll definitely recommend this. This gets me so excited. I'm definitely wearing this all throughout the summer. And then I'll definitely go and purchase some more myself. This is $38. Alright. And then, now I was kind of skeptical about this color. I do like purple, but it's metallic and it's kind of out there. I wasn't too sure how it was gonna go on, but it goes on pretty sheer, and I was able to put a lip gloss over top of it, and I really like it. Look at that. Everything is glitter. So I really like that. And the price of this again is $21. So I'd recommend this. This looks really, really nice on the lips, especially if you want a little extra shine and glitter. So that wraps it up for this month's Boxycharm video. If you guys would like to see the next one, please make sure you tune in and turn on the notification bell so that you know the next time I post. See you all in the next one. Bye!